How to change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the wallpaper for individual chats on your WhatsApp. These are also known as chat themes. So let's dive right in. Open up the WhatsApp app and navigate to the chat. Now you need to tap on the person's name at the top. So here you'll find chat theme. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll find various themes that you can choose from. So you can go to wallpaper and then just find the wallpaper of your choice. And once you find it, just tap on it. So choose the one of your preference. You can just scroll and choose one. Hit set in the top right. And then that's it. There you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.